Okay, so the thing about this is I have the first part nailed down with rocks, and then the rest of it is just kind of well. Okay. So I got kind of like half of that. I'm gonna try it again, and yeah, I just gonna try it again. So I kind of messed up on one of the parts, not only with hesitation, but with like so much else. Oh crap! That is the sustain pedal. It is like 9 p.m. It is very late. I should not be using the sustain pedal this late. And I should not be using the sustain pedal for this song at all. So ah, crap. Okay, I just gotta try this again because I've already got one good half of this. Whatever. I tried. I tried badly. This is like my second day of trying to learn this song, so I'm really bad at it. Only practiced like maybe 15 times. No, more now. 20? I need to practice a lot. Like, it took me maybe like 30 tries to get, don't forget, like. Anywho, this was supposed to only be dial tone, so goodbye.